I was diagnosed this morning as positive for COVID-19. This is after a few days of uncertainty and test results that weren't quite clear. But now it's pretty clear.
Jon Huntsman Jr. says he got a positive COVID-19 diagnosis Wednesday morning. It's the second test he's gotten after a testing snafu with Salt Lake County Health Department earlier this week.
The symptoms that I've been feeling for the last couple of days are in fact what I suspected they were. And we've done everything possible to make sure that we distance and do all of that.
Huntsman announced 6 members of his campaign staff have now tested positive. He was forced to abruptly stop public appearances like this one in Logan last week when a staffer contracted the virus.
They're all doing well. They're taking care of themselves. They're all in isolation. We're working remotely. We haven't missed a beat. And we won't miss a beat.
It comes as the state is seeing a continual rise in cases for COVID-19. The state epidemiologist warns the risk for coronavirus is still here.
As we loosen restrictions, there is going to be an increased risk of spread, and we're going to be relying more on individuals to social distance, wear face coverings, stay home when you're ill, and of course, wash your hands as much as possible.
Appearing on a Fox 13 town hall, Dr. Angela Dunn says they started seeing cases rising after going to a yellow or lower risk level shortly after Memorial Day. They're also watching recent protests to see if those could add to the case count. The governor extended the state's yellow level another week, but asked if we're going to green anytime soon.
That's really hard to predict right now. We're seeing a surge in cases, so I know the governor isn't thinking about it right now. We definitely want to make sure that we're going to continue to have hospital capacity to care for everybody with and without COVID before we make any of those decisions.
Now, Dr. Dunn warns we are still at the beginning of COVID-19 here in Utah. She appeared on a town hall where she answered a lot of your questions about COVID-19. We posted it for you to see at fox13now.com. On the Hill, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.